everyone, welcome, welcome. We are so happy you're here today. You know why? Because we're going to talk about one of our favorite things ever, the food we eat.
Oh yeah, look at that. It is the best time of day, lunchtime. It's time to open up our lunch boxes. Hey, what are you having for lunch today? Go on, tell us. I bet it's super yummy.
Okay, are you ready? What's in the lunchbox today? It's time for some yummy surprises. Let's take a little peek inside and see what we've got. Come on.
Whoa, look. Puri. That looks so good. It's so puffy and warm. Oh, I wish we could just reach in and grab a piece.
And wait, there's more. Wow, idli. They look like little fluffy white clouds. So soft and yummy. This is the best lunch ever.
And look, a paratha too. Oh my gosh. There are just so many delicious foods in the whole wide world, aren't there? Lunchtime is the best adventure.
You know, having a tasty lunch is amazing. But you know what makes it even better? Sharing it with our friends. Let's talk about that, because sharing is caring.
But what happens if a friend forgets their lunch? Oh no, that would be so sad. Imagine, your tummy is rumbling. You open your backpack, and it's empty. What would you do?
Yeah, sometimes that happens. A friend might say something like, "My mother is sick. No lunch for me." Ah, that would make you feel pretty sad and lonely, wouldn't it? Especially with a rumbly tummy.
But look what happens next. Her friends say, "Here, take my chilla." And another friend says, "Have my paratha." They're sharing their food. Now that is what being an awesome friend is all about.
And of course, the friend says a big thank you. Now everyone is happy and has a full tummy. See, sharing doesn't just fill up your friend's belly, it makes your heart feel all warm and happy too. It's the best feeling.
Okay, so all this yummy food chat has me thinking, where does all this food even come from? It's a really big question, right? It doesn't just poof, appear.
You're right. A lot of our food comes from farms. And on those farms, farmers are working super hard every single day to grow everything for us to eat.
They really are amazing. So you know what we should do? We should say a great big thank you. Are you ready to shout it with us? On 3. 1, 2, 3. Thank you, farmers. Woo! Great job, everyone.
And farmers don't just grow plants. They take care of animals too, like cows. Yep, and cows give us yummy, healthy milk. Can you make a cow sound with me? Moo!
And get this, even tiny little creatures help make our food. Look, little bees are buzzing around, bzzz, and they make sweet, sticky, delicious honey for us to eat. Isn't that the coolest thing ever?
Okay, we've learned so much. Are you ready to play some games? I thought so. It's time for some fun food games. Let's get our brains working and our hands ready to play. First up, we're going to play the syllable clap game. Here's how it works. It's super easy. First, we say the word. Then, we listen for all the little parts in the word, and for every part, we clap. Get your hands up and ready. Okay, our first word is farmer. Let's try it together. Ready? Farmer. 2 claps. You got it. Okay, next one is mango. Let's do it. Man-go. 2 claps again. You guys are syllable clapping superstars.
All right, stop clapping and get your thinking caps on. It's riddle time. Ooh, listen carefully to this one. I am a vegetable. If you cut me, I make you cry. Who am I? What do you think it is?
Did you guess? The answer is an onion. Yes! If you got that right, say hooray. Awesome job. Those onions can be tricky.
Okay, one last riddle. Are you ready for it? Here it is. I am a fruit. I come in a bunch. I can be green or purple. Who am I? Ooh, this is a good one. Think hard.
And the answer is grapes. Of course. You guys are amazing at this game. Give yourself a big high five in the air. Wow, that was so much fun. What a great day talking all about food. It really was. We talked about delicious lunches, how great it feels to share, and we said a big thank you to all the farmers.
So we've got one last little question for you before we go. The next time you open your lunchbox and see all that yummy food, think about this. What's one thing you could share with a friend today? Thanks for playing with us, everyone. Have a super yummy day. Bye-bye.